global trade has benefited China, and China has also benefited the world. And so China, from the standpoint of the WTO, has been a strong supporter of the multilateral trading system and multilateralism, and we hope that that will continue, and that China will continue to be a strong member that will also help the WTO to solve some of the problems of global trade that we see emerging, whether it be problems with global public goods like climate change, the pandemic. How do we build green trade? How do we make sure we build resilience so everyone can deal with a pandemic in the event of that happening? How do we ensure fair trade and a level playing field? So China should be part of that, of remaining open, assuring transparency and a level playing field in dealing with trade. China, as you plays a very important role both in the world, because it's the second largest economy in the world. So really, whatever happens to China impacts the world. And that's why it's in the interest of everyone for the Chinese economy to perform well. That's why we all follow it so closely. And so China plays a very strong role. And we would like to see the Chinese economy come back strongly, because that will boost global trade. It will boost global growth. So it's not just about China alone, but it's also about the rest of the world.